Hey there, AudioTool friends. I have got a cool project for you. I showed you in the previous movie how to add your voice. So I've got my silly scrubbly bubbly voice, and I'm going to show you how to take that voice and add some awesome reverb to it. Grab the reverb tool and simply drop it above the piece that you were using. Take the output and delete it. Grab the output of your previous voice track and delete it, and then connect from the voice track to the reverb, and then simply grab from the reverb and connect it over to port 3. Notice I drug past so that I could get to the channels. That's a better way to say that. And now when I hit play, I would have reverb, and then the fun thing is to just go tweak the settings. On any settings bar, if you put your mouse on, hold, and lift up, it increases. If you pull down, it decreases. It's super simple to adjust, tweak, and make your stuff more epic. So I just wanted to show you quickly how to add reverb. There are so many other ones you can experiment with. I'm going to just show them to you one at a time in these cool little movies. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.